Your gear sticks on. That's it, once it came off the rim I had no control. Right, here we are at K Knighton Sandpit here on the Isle of Wight, doing an unsealed surface forward only auto test. It's in a quarry, an active quarry, so there's all sorts of stuff we have to worry about not to hit, but it's slidey and it's fun. Seriously, for 20 quid this is a great day's motorsport. Dad and myself have been out, we've done our first runs and we've just done our marshalling duties, so we have 5 more runs to do and I'm driving in wellies. Your gear sticks on. Stuck in gear. What's stuck in reverse? Turn that way. Keep turning that way. Now the other way. What's your body say? Stuck in gear.
The longest.
Love that. Is this your first off-road outing in your new Rally Mini?
It's my first outing.
Full stop?
Yeah.
Well, have fun.
I'm scared.
Lots of handbrake.
Well, I'm really scared. Which one? I have a choice.
Hydraulic. You haven't got a navigator. You could get into practice.
All rally drivers are crap at a navigator.
Yeah.
You'll get lost.
Yeah, that's your excuse. Just go, I didn't have my navigator. Minis everywhere.
I know.
Is this your first outing? No, you've been round already, haven't you?
No.
Oh, you haven't?
Don't forget to turn the traction control on.
Yeah. The mighty Mike has had a makeover, mate.
It certainly has.
Or at least outside. Anything inside?
Not yet.
It looks the part though.
Later on we've got stuff to do.
Is there any rules say you can't drive around backwards?
Yeah, apparently there is.
Have you got your traction control off?
Control is off.
Excellent.
Right.
What's that noise?
Supercharger. What was wrong with the car? Is it fixed?
No, we've got one gear.
What gear have you got?
1 or 2? 2.
Oh no, let's see what happens then.
Yeah.
At least it's not reverse.
No, exactly.
Hang on, Tracy's stuck. Hang on, the car's still moving. Hang on.
You're right.
I got stuck.
We got stuck in sand. I had to get out and rock it.
Did you? We almost sent a recovery vehicle.
Yeah,
That's right.
I had to physically get out and rock the car enough for it.
That's right, the man.
And they're all stood watching me.
Is it, I can smell clutch.
Yeah, I think I've burnt my clutch.
Oh dear. Right, carry on then. Well done. Check out Henry lining up rally cars. Okay, driver 46, driver 46. Watch yourself, Henry, because this one's going to throw up some stones. Good to see you back.
Yeah,
it's
nice
been a
to be
while,
back.
isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
When was the last event you did?
I can't even tell you, I think. It's a long time.
I know, that's it. I was amazed when I saw it. No, it's good though, isn't it? Get you back in the mighty
Yeah,
micro.
she's done well for, see, she's lasted a few seasons now. So
Still,
for a £200 car, it's doing all right.
there you go. That's the future, isn't it? It's the secret of the tyre pressure, isn't it?
Well, that one's a bit too low, I think. That's gone down a bit too much.
Keeping it on the wheels.
Yeah. Yeah, you want it soft, but not too soft. What's that?
Like, I've just been out, I'm like, look.
Yeah, that's it, got the shakes. It's unbelievable, isn't it? With 1 minute of fun and you got the shakes, isn't it?
Yeah, your whole body's like,
You had a bit of a smile when you went out into the stock box. Was it a good run then?
Yeah.
Was it?
I'm winning right now.
You're winning.
Yeah.
What, the youth
Yeah.
title? Well done.
For once.
You've got it in you. You've always been a good driver. You just got to believe in yourself, haven't
I
you?
just keep getting stuck.
It's never good when people start looking under their cars. What's the issue?
My friend here at the bank. I've thrown him under the bus. Yeah, and, yeah, the freelance drivers.
Oh, no, okay.
Trying to bodge it back in.
It's getting drier out there.
It is, isn't it? It's getting
Yeah.
quicker.
Those straights. I'm still doing it with wellies.
Sorry?
I said I'm still doing it with
Yeah, I
wellies.
know, yeah. We're all driving with wellies
I know.
on.
It's getting a bit warm.
You've been beaten by your daughter, mate.
Again? That's a bit embarrassing, isn't it?
No, he's taught her everything she knows.
Yeah. dead, lads.
No, we've got that. Martin's doing his last run.
Yeah.
And then we're going to put his car on the trailer, nick his battery, and then we're going back
Oh,
to
it's
back.
the battery.
Not charging.
Yeah, we nicked the battery off the taxi.
And the fan switch is broken, so the fan's not kicking.
That's right, so it wasn't the overheat. I just assumed it was overheating.
And then we bump started it, I went out, bump started again, and it died on the line. So.
Ah, okay. As long as you got enough for 2 more
Hopefully,
runs.
mate, yeah.
Oh no, properly off, isn't it? I wonder if we can get it back on. Don't know if my little compressor's got enough oomph to do that. We used to, when I was a push bike mechanic, Dad,
Yeah.
we used to use hairspray
Oh, right.
to use, you know, like on the grips on
Yeah.
your handlebars.
Yeah.
When you installed a new set, because they'd always be stuck on,
Yeah.
you'd use hairspray to stick underneath the rubber, and that would loosen it up,
Oh, blimey,
and
yeah.
that would take the grip off. And
Yeah.
then when you put a new grip on, you'd spray it in the hairspray again, and it would just set afterwards. So maybe that's a try. I should try it. I haven't tested it.
Well, yeah, I don't know.
But I might give it a go and see. I mean, if there's any dirt in there, it won't seal again, will it?
That's it.
Let's see. It may not. Come on. Pressure's going up.
Yes.
I'd like to take this opportunity to thank our patrons. Your support, as always, is hugely appreciated. Bonnet's up, mate. That's never a good sign.
Just letting it cool down
Oh,
before
yeah?
the winning run.
Right, last run of the day. So that's it, mate. You're a spectator from now on.
That's it, mate. It's all out.
There's
out
nothing- nothing you can do.
I hope that man over there doesn't go a second faster.
Is that what he needs to find?
0.97.
It's horrible, isn't it, that you can't...
I can't do anything.
You can't do anything.
Just got to wait now and hope for the best.
The tyres come off the rim, but we're stuck in the very deep mud. Got my toe in eye, little strap. Oh dear. Right, well, I did kind of ruin Dad's run by... The good news is, Dad, you're very kind enough to let Dad run in your car.
Yeah.
Really appreciate that, yeah. Be careful, Dad. But it'd be nice to say, obviously, you know...
Anyway.
Lovely. Have fun, Dad, be careful. I'll be careful on the handbrake.
You literally get your handbrake first of all.
Yeah, that's it. Oh, it's not your car, Dad, be careful. Bloody 74-year-olds.
He's firing that one, wasn't he?
Go on, Dad. Well done. 113. Well done, Dad. That was good.
Really felt good, that did.
Thought it was in driving.
Yeah.
Down there, I was like, is that Kev? And they went, no, Kev said there.